I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Even wealthy people have credit needs. What if I told you there's a way to get a substantial loan at rates far below home equity line of credit rates? It's true. In fact, this strategy's been around for years, offered almost exclusively to ultra high net worth clients of private banks. Hi everyone, I'm Zach Palmer, certified financial planner with Ark Royal Wealth Management. Today, I want to introduce a powerful strategy that lets you borrow against your taxable investment account at a low rate with meaningful tax benefits and without selling your investments. The secret is what's called box spread lending, one of the most flexible and tax efficient ways to access credit at rates far below what banks offer. This strategy can create a cheaper, more tax-efficient borrowing option compared to many traditional lending arrangements. And it's a perfect example of how working with Ark Royal helps you leverage every available tool to build flexibility and optionality into your financial life. So, let's start with the basics. Most people are familiar with borrowing against their assets through products like margin loans, securities-backed lines of credit, or even home equity lines, or HELOCs for short. But box spread lending works differently. We work with an investment manager who executes a specific options structure called a box spread inside your taxable account. This creates a synthetic, collateralized loan without selling your underlying investments and without freezing your portfolio. It's credit without disruption. Let's walk through the advantages so you can understand the value of this strategy. Because the loan is created through the options markets, rather than through a bank's underwriting or risk-adjusted lending model, rates are often far lower than margin lending or traditional credit lines. As you can see, this box spread arrangement can result in more than a 5 percentage point interest rate reduction compared to some of the more traditional credit arrangements. Borrowing in the 4% range is back in style, just like a few years ago. One of the most compelling features is that clients can write off the interest expense as a capital loss, 60% long-term, 40% short-term, regardless of the dollar amount. That makes the after-tax cost of borrowing extremely attractive compared to HELOCs, personal loans, or even margin loans. In some cases, we're talking effective interest rates of under 3%. And here's what's really key. Traditional mortgage or HELOC interest is an itemized deduction claimed on Schedule A. Itemized deductions have become harder for more people to claim as the standard deduction has increased in recent years. The way box spread lending works results in the interest expense being treated as a capital loss on Schedule D. This means you get the benefit irrespective of whether or not you itemize deductions. Box spread loans can be structured as either fixed term or floating. Under the floating rate loan arrangement, you can draw funds at any time, repay any time, and reborrow as needed. It really is a line of credit there when you need it. With the fixed rate option, you can select from a term length anywhere from 3 months to 5 years. This locks in a known borrowing cost for the life of the loan. So this combination of predictability, lower cost, and tax efficiency makes it a very compelling option when structured properly. So when does it make sense to use a loan like this? Here are some of the common use case scenarios we've seen. Maybe it's a private equity investment, a startup opportunity, or a real estate venture. Instead of liquidating part of your portfolio, you borrow against it at a low cost and keep your long-term investments compounding. With HELOC rates in the 7 to 8% range, this can be a more attractive source of funds for home improvements and major renovations. If you're waiting on a bonus, sale of a business, or get hit with an unexpected tax bill, box spread lending can help bridge a short-term cash need without generating taxable gains. This isn't about taking unnecessary risk. It's about unlocking liquidity while keeping your wealth working for you. For clients holding mortgages in the 6 to 8% range, this can create interest rate arbitrage. Replace a higher rate loan with one at a more competitive cost. This approach works best for high earners with the cash flow to support a shorter term loan structure. As many sophisticated investors have said, the best investors don't sell, they borrow. One of the best things about strategies like this is that they reward people who have spent years building up meaningful taxable investment accounts. This strategy can only be unlocked with a meaningful taxable investment account. So don't just focus entirely on retirement account savings because, as you can see, taxable accounts give you something just as important: flexibility. A taxable account built early in one's career becomes a financial Swiss Army knife later in life. You can harvest tax losses, tap capital gains strategically, or unlock liquidity through structures like this box spread lending arrangement, all without disrupting your long-term investment plan. Ultimately, strategies like this show what your team of certified financial planners at Ark Royal can do. We look beyond the basics and consider the full landscape of tools available. Box spread lending isn't the right fit for every situation, but when appropriate, it can offer a cost-effective, low-impact way to access liquidity while keeping your financial plan intact. At Ark Royal, we've helped hundreds of people successfully navigate the complexities of personal finance. If you're curious about whether this type of borrowing strategy could make sense for your situation, or want to learn more about building more flexibility into your financial plan, click on Book a Call with Zach in the show notes below. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more financial planning insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.
If you'd like to learn more about the benefits of working with a truly independent and objective fee-only financial advisor, we welcome the opportunity to talk with you.